channel. I'm Xenia and today I'm going to be sharing a haul video. This is basically a Wadi haul video wherein I got this amount of Wadi herbal product. Now Wadi is a herbal brand and this is a total inexpensive brand. I mean, all the products are so inexpensive, they are so affordable and they are so good quality. I mean, I really had to do this video. I had to do this video because this is such a good brand and this is so inexpensive and so good. I have very less words to explain how much I am excited to do this video. And I really wanted to collect a few of the Wadi products and try it on for myself. So I got 7 Wadi products for myself and 6 different products, but there are 7 because I just got a similar product in quantity. So altogether I just had to pay 270 or 280 rupees for the entire thing because I got it from Nykaa website and there's a discount or sale going on, the Diwali sale going on in Nykaa, and I really grabbed the opportunity to get all these amazing products from the brand Wadi. So let me just tell you what all products I got for myself. Now the first product is this Wadi anti-aging cream. Anti-aging cream which retails just for ₹58. Have you ever heard anti-aging cream retailing for just ₹58? I have never heard of it, so I thought of grabbing the opportunity. So this is the first product which I got for my mother, actually not for myself. So I just wanted her to try it out and let me know how she feels about it so that I can review it for you guys. And I'm also kind of planning to use it for myself as well once or twice and just see the texture and how it works and everything. So this is the Wadi Herbals Anti-Aging Cream. Now you can use it during the day as well as before going to bed. Now this is a 30-gram product retailing for 58 rupees, but I paid 52 rupees because I told you guys that there is a Diwali sale going on in Nykaa, so I got 6 rupees discount, so paid 52 rupees for this particular anti-aging night cream. And this contains almond, wheat germ, rose, and you need to first cleanse your face and then apply a generous amount of this particular cream onto your face in upward direction, massage it in upward direction, and you have to use it daily, morning and before going to bed. It contains vitamin E, almond oil, wheat germ oil, mungist extracts of mungist extract, coconut oil derivatives, rose water and normal water. So these are all the things that it contains, and they claim that it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, reduces dark spots and pigmentation, delays skin aging and evens out skin tone. So these are the claims, and this comes in this beautiful cardboard packaging, red color cardboard packaging, and the actual tub is like this. This is a white colored beautiful small tub of 30 grams, and this is how the product looks like. My mom has used it thrice or 4 times, and I've also used it once or twice, and I found that this is pretty moisturizing on the skin and it has a wonderful fragrance to it. The smell is something to die for. This is a great product just for 58 rupees or 52 like as I paid. So this is the anti-aging cream and this is the first product I got from Wadi. The next product is an under eye cream. Have you heard of under eye cream retailing for 58 rupees? And again I got it at a discounted rate of 52 rupees. So this is the under eye cream and this is the outer cardboard packaging. They come in very colorful packaging which I really like. So this is the purple packaging and it contains almond oil and cucumber extract, and they claim, and it also contains pink rose which rejuvenates and moisturizes the skin around the eyes, and we need to apply daily under the eye in the morning and before going to bed. I am applying it every day like twice or thrice, and this gets completely absorbed under your eyes and around the area of your eye, and this is a very good eye cream. I really love it. And it also contains almond oil and cucumber extract, as I told you. This retails for 58 rupees and you get 30 grams of product. The shelf life is 3 years from the date of manufacture, and this is the outer cardboard packaging. This is the inner tub. Again, this purple colored stickers on top and in the sides, and when you open it, this is the beautiful white color cream, and the smell is again amazing. The smell is so good. I've got no I do not have enough words to explain how good the smell of Wadi products are. So the smell is good, the cream gets easily absorbed under your eyes and everything. So I totally am very happy with my Wadi haul or Wadi experience. I'm very happy. Then another unique product from Wadi is elbow, foot and knee scrub soap, and this helps to remove dirt, dark spots and dead skin cells. Now this is again 75 gram of product. The MRP is 28 rupees, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years from the date of manufacture, and it contains almond, walnut, aloe vera, and it gently exfoliates, smooths and evens out skin, and it exfoliates the thick deposits of dead skin cells, moisturizes and soothes and protects the skin. So this is basically a soap which is a 75 gram soap, and this is how it looks like. I've just used it once. This is a grey colored soap, and this is exfoliating soap. And the smell again is awesome. I mean, I feel like exfoliating my entire body with this, and actually that's what I do. I not only use it on my feet, on my or on my elbows, I also use to scrub my body, but definitely not the face. So this is a wonderful soap and it smells great, and just for rupees 25 you get this huge bar of soap, and I totally love it. I mean, how is it that Wadi manufactures or creates such wonderful product at such cheap and affordable rate? I really don't understand. So hats off to Wadi for all these products. So this is the third one. Then the two similar products which I got for myself are these facial bars from Wadi. So I've got two variants of them. So one is the Wadi Herbals Blueberry Facial Bar, which is anti-aging and anti-wrinkle, and this is how it looks like. And as you open it, I've used quite a lot of it, so this is how the facial bar looks like. Actually, I have not only applied it on my face, but I've also taken bath with this particular kind of facial bar, and this cleanses the entire body and face so well. And I smell so good after taking a bath with this particular facial bar, and this is a wonderful facial bar. It cleanses your face so well. I mean, it would feel like your face is so brightened and so good, glowing. So I really love this. Now this retails for 34 rupees, and I guess you get 25 gram of product, but I again got it for 31 rupees, 3 rupees discount, because there's the Diwali sale going on in Lyka. And the next one, the next facial bar is this one, and this is the Kesar Chandan facial bar, and this helps to lighten and skin tone, and also this is an anti-tan facial bar, and it contains the extracts of orange peel, and this is 30 rupees, but I paid 27 rupees for it because there was a 10% discount going on. So 3 rupees discount, and the shelf life is 3 years from the date of manufacture, and you get 25 gram of product. Now I haven't used this particular product, so let me just show you how it looks. So inside it, this is how the soap looks. It comes in this plastic covering, and this is how the soap looks, and I get a very faint smell because the smell is quite good. Now let me open it for you guys. So as I open it, the soap comes out, and again it is packed in another packaging, another plastic packaging, and it smells of exact chandan. I mean, this is really good. I have got high expectations from this particular soap as well. So these are the first 5 products for you guys. Now the 6th one is a body oil. Now this is an aromatherapy body oil, and this comes in this beautiful green colored bottle, and this is aromatherapy body oil for all skin types, and it contains pure lemongrass and lily oil. Now this is anti-pigmentation and anti-marks therapy. Now I generally use it before going to take a bath every day, like 2 to 3 hours before taking a bath, and then I wash my body and I get rid of this oil, because this oil has a very strong smell of lemongrass. I mean, I really don't like the smell, but this is aromatherapy, so many of you might like it, but I really don't like it. Now this is a very lightweight oil, and it gets easily absorbed on the skin, and my skin feels pretty good and moisturized while using this oil. I mean, after taking a bath with it, my skin feels really good. So this is another very good purchase. Now this retails for 65 rupees for 50 ml of product, but again I got a discount and I paid just 59 rupees for the entire bottle. So I guess this brand Wadi is even less expensive than the Patanjali one. So I really thought that Patanjali is the cheapest herbal brand, but no, Vadi is a better and even more affordable brand compared to Patanjali. And the last product which I got for myself is a normal cream. Now this is basically a Vadi Herbals Fairness Cream with saffron, aloe vera and turmeric. Now let me tell you one thing, guys. It's not that I'm trying to promote fairness, or I kind of not trying to, I'm not trying to promote fairness. It's just that I thought of getting a cream, and this just retails for 40 rupees and discounted price was 35, 36. So I thought, okay fine, let me just give it a try. It just acts as a very good moisturizer. So just for moisturizing my face I got it. Not that I am expecting myself to be like very very fair. No, I'm not expecting, I do not have any such expectations from it. I just got it because of the price range and because it contains saffron, aloe vera and turmeric. So because of the ingredients I got it, and this is quite a good one. This is again a pink tub like packaging, and I haven't opened it yet, as you guys can see. So I'm going to try it and let you know. If you want a review on any of these products, let me know. This is again a 25 gram, 30 gram of product for 36 rupees, but the actual MRP is 40. So the smell is again quite good, I guess. Let me just open it for you guys. The smell is quite good. So I really like, I love all the Vadi products which I got for myself. So guys, that was all I got for myself from the brand Vadi, and this is how it looks like right now after opening and everything. So these are all the 7 products which I got for myself within rupees 200. So everything is not 200, sorry, everything is like under rupees 280 or 285 or 270, and it's something like that. So these are all the great Vadi products which I got for myself, and this is my Vadi haul. And if you want me to review any of these products and details in particular, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do them for you guys. So I hope you guys found my video helpful and you enjoyed it as well. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.